Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you guys well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm doing great. Okay, so today I think you guys what I'm gonna show you guys and what I'm gonna represent to you that is really important for every human. Okay, so today's my topic is physical exercise. You can see my bicep. Here is my bicep. Okay, you can see it because I regular exercise. I'm regular exercising for this reason. You can see this type of bicep, this type of fitness I have. Okay, everyone should exercise regularly. When we are exercising, when we are workouting every day, our mind becomes sharp. Our mind become sharp, and we can gather huge knowledge. We can learn new things easily. So it is very necessary, guys. Physical exercise when you are at it with any gym or you are at it, I mean, any home workout, then your muscle will be better, stronger, and you'll be capable for do anything, whatever you can see, you will be able to do. Such like many kind, a lot of student thinks that if we are spending their time like for exercising, then it's wasting time. Not like this, guys. Believe me, when you spend some time for your health, that's gonna support you a lot. It will help you to for study. You can concentrate use time on your study, and your health will be very good, and that's gonna really help. Guys, when we have a lot of money but our health damaged, our health is not good, then there is no value of money. So you have 30 crore money, but you are the damaged person. You are like health is bad condition. So you never get any happiness from money. So if you have little money but you are the healthy person healthy person, then that's gonna be really help you. It's not like you can get happiness from theirs. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that it is a message. I'm never joking. Okay, I made this type of you can see this type of fitness. So why you should start exercising. You should make your body better more than me. Okay, so then you can get the happiness. Guys, when we are ill, the time never get we happy, or like never get any happiness whatsoever. Our relative, our parents, our brother, sister, they are saying that then we feel bored, and because our body is not good. So that's why I'm saying today. So so try to so now I'm gonna explain with you how to be like a fitness good fitness, how to be a good fitness, how to make a good fitness. Now I'm gonna say you. Okay, so if you want to make your body fit, must you need to avoid oily food. Okay, you have to change your diet. You need a diet. You can advise, you can get advice from like doctor, or you can get advice like professional trainers who train gym here, who have gym center. So you can get suggestion from there. So that's gonna really help you. So I can share my little experience that I knew. You have to, first of all, you have to avoid oily food. You need a, and instead of oily food, you can eat vegetables like vegetable, fish, and fish curry, and you also eat chicken. Let's try to eat boiling a little bit boily. It can potato, a lot of things. You have to eat boily. Okay, that's gonna help you to make your your muscle. Okay, another one. So try to eat nutritionable food. It can be banana. Banana is really great, a good food that really help you to make your muscle. And I used to, and also I used to eat bananas. So and another one is it's you can eat egg also really good food, okay. And nut and many kind of food, and try to, and must avoid oily or fast food that's really hamper for our body. So so and try to get advice from the experience on, if any experience on belong in your beside or like your village or city, then you can go there and say that how I will be able to make my fitness. And if you have any gym center in your beside beside, then must if you have time or if you have effort, you can join theirs. That's gonna help you a lot for living comfortably and as well as happily, okay. So if you haven't, then you can start home workout. So basically most of the time I work for home workout. So like I work out from my at my home. I push up and I pull up, many kind of exercise you can get from YouTube channel. So okay, so that gonna really help you. Okay, by the way, I'm sharing this message that is really important, okay. Never forget out for making your fitness better. And you can see guys, I'm not only sharing this thing, I'm talking in English. That's gonna help you also for learning, okay. So bye, that's all for now guys.